Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Roath. Roath is a Kashmiri version of traditional cake that's baked or fried. Though these cakes have gone out of the limelight for a while, but they hold a special place for any auspicious occasion or celebrations. It's a sweet tasting with generous amount of ghee. So let's get started. For making this savourous delight, I have taken 2 cups of maida or refined flour, 2 cups of powdered sugar, milk less than half a cup, half a teaspoon of baking soda, some cashews for garnishing, 2 to 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, handful of peeled almonds, these are optional, you can skip them, and a generous amount of ghee. A tablespoon of poppy seeds for garnishing, a pinch of green cardamom powder for flavor, and I will grease the tin with oil, and then I'll spread a tablespoon of flour in it and spread it on all the sides. And meanwhile I have also preheated the oven. That settings I'll show you later. Now I'll sift flour, sugar and baking powder and desiccated coconut. Give them a mix and then add cardamom powder, sliced almonds, and add ghee slowly to knead. And milk also. So here you have to adjust ghee and milk accordingly till you get a stiff dough. Keep kneading till you get a stiff dough like this, and then we will transfer it to greased cake tin. Spread properly in the tin and then press with your hand so that its surface is smooth, and then grease the top surface with ghee. And pierce with fork, and then spread poppy seeds and cashews for garnishing or any other dry fruit of your choice. Now it's ready to go in the oven. So I'm placing it in middle rack like this. Time I have kept is 60 minutes. The function is this conventional oven instead of baking, and temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. You can check once after 45 to 50 minutes. If toothpick comes clean, then it's baked, or it doesn't, then let it be for 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes I'll check. So toothpick is coming clean. I'll press it at many points. So the roath is ready. I'll take it out from the oven. Now wait for it to cool down. Here the splendid and savourous, unique tasting Kashmiri Roath is ready. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.